You're looking at the most detailed picture that I have ever taken of the ships that are out there. I took this picture right here and all of my other pictures like this with my iPhone 8 and a clip-on lens. So let's just, we can look at these, you all. I won't zoom up too close, but you can see right here that it is absolutely undeniable what we're looking at. Okay, these are ships. They're not of this world. You could say that they are interdimensional. They came and went back into their dimension, okay? But I got the pictures of them. Well, I said I wasn't going to move up too close, but I want to look at them, you all. I'm just so fascinated, too, at the detail contained in this one picture of mine. And this, I know it's hard for people to believe that I didn't get this with a telescope or anything. I'm telling you, I didn't, okay? I didn't. My heart's frequency played a major, major role in getting these images. And again, I took these. I have a collection, a playlist that has some of the ships, a lot of them, but none as detailed as this, none. And I don't get a negative feeling from them, I don't. And if I'm quiet, I'm just, I'm taking it all in, you all. I am. At what we're looking at. Every single bit of it. One day, they will make their presence known. Okay? One day. So we're just going to make this a short video. And with that being said, hello wherever you are in any part of the world. Hello from my heart to yours. Love you. I'm going to show you the inverted mode of these pictures because it's important to see what the negative would look like. We are really living in some very, very interesting times. There's so much going on in the world. And we have these ships that I've documented since around June of 2018. That's how long it's been. I was told that it was only going to be 4 years. And I am now on my 3rd year. I have till around June, maybe a few months afterward, and my 4 years will be up. And I don't know what will happen then, but the 3 beings that came down in a beam of light, one was a small extraterrestrial, and an older lady, short, and a younger lady with long brown wavy hair who stood on my porch. And I knew exactly why the young lady was there. I did. She was going to be me and I was going to be her. And I was just a little bit worried about how my daughter would react because I knew what that I would be more outgoing and stuff. And the older lady who was by the small extraterrestrial, she read my mind. She was telepathic. And she told me, it's okay. It's only going to be 4 years. And that's all that happened with that. And here I am on this journey. And the mood was very, very serious. Thank you. And please give this video a thumbs up. Share it. Thank you so much. Love you.